Hello viewers, as you can see, an insect has entered the ear. Many of us can face this condition, that insect entering into the ear. So what to do primarily? Primarily, we can project light over the ear, because if the insect is live, it will be attracted towards the light and will come out. But in this condition, you can see the insect is stuck at the tympanic membrane by his feet, and it is trying hard to get rid of it, but in vain. So we mechanically removed it, and this is the condition after removal of the insect.